Hey there, welcome to the Tired AF Yoga series. If you're currently tired AF, and I totally get it, well, you are in the right place. I am sharing 10 to 15 minute practices every day this month to help you release tension, reset your nervous system, and remember what it feels like to relax. You don't need anything fancy, just you, your mat, your breath, and in fact, in today's practice, you don't even need your mat. It's not about perfection, it's just about showing up for yourself. So silence your notifications, stick a calming oil in your diffuser, and let's help your nervous system remember what it means to actually relax. In today's video, we're going to do a variation of my very favorite relaxation pose. I do this one every single day, often multiple times in a day, feet up the wall. So if you're ready, let's relax. So feet up the wall is just that, feet up the wall. So head over to your wall. For today's variation, you may want to have a pillow on either side of you or a blanket, something to support you. It's okay if you don't. And to get up into feet up the wall, you're going to take your side to the wall and then flip around so your feet go up the wall. You don't need to be next to the wall. In fact, being away from the wall makes it a little bit more comfortable. And just take a moment to find where you want to place your hands on your belly or by your side, turning your palms up, drawing your shoulders down, or out in cactus, or up and overhead. Go ahead and test all four. Find the one that feels the best for you. Just make sure the arms are symmetrical. Symmetry makes all the difference for relaxation. Feel your breath in your belly. And give yourself a few really especially long exhalations. And as you exhale, feel yourself sink into the bed. Relax. Feel yourself begin to unwind more and more as your body automatically begins to release. This pose is powerful for relaxation. And then draw your right knee into your chest, give it a hug, and extend it up so you're getting a stretch in your hamstring on the back of your right leg. Left leg is still relaxing up against the wall. Relax your shoulders. And then do really big, slow ankle circles. Breathe. Change direction. Make the biggest circle you can, really stretching those muscles around the ankle. Come back to the center. Extend the leg again. Refine that hamstring stretch. And then flex the foot till you feel it in the calf as well. Breathe. And release. Set the foot up against the wall and we'll change sides. Draw your left knee into the chest and you're going to give it a hug. And then extend the leg up. Feel the stretch in your hamstring. Find it. Relax your shoulders. And then big ankle circles all the way around. Slow. Change direction. And then relax the ankle and extend that leg a little bit more. Re-find your hamstring stretch. And then flex the foot to feel it in your calf as well. And then take the heel to the wall. Both legs against the wall. Cross the right ankle just beneath the left knee. Open the knee out to the side. And slowly slide the left leg down the wall until you feel a nice stretch in through that right hip. Breathe. And just let your arms go wherever it is you like to have them. And relax. So let gravity and your left leg do all the work here. Let your shoulders relax. Let your back relax. And take your knees over to the left, just 3 or 4 inches, getting into that hip stretch a little bit more. And come back through the center. Cross the right leg all the way over the left. And you're going to slowly take your legs down to the left to rest on the pillow. Bring your arms out so they're in cactus or straight out to the side, whatever feels best for you. Let your legs rest on the pillow if you have one. Breathe. Come back up. Pause. And take your legs down to the right. Both shoulders are rooted. Just let yourself relax. Feel your breath in your belly. And then come back up. Take both legs back up the wall. And we'll do the other side. So cross the left ankle just beneath the right knee and slide the right foot down your wall. You can keep your arms out or bring them down wherever it's comfortable for you. And again, gravity and your right foot do the work here. So your job is to relax your back, your jaw, and your shoulders. Let yourself release and relax. Take it over to the right. Come back through the center, cross the left leg all the way over the right leg. Bring your arms out to the side and take both legs to your left. Keep both shoulders down on the bed. And just let yourself soften. Feel your breath. Let yourself relax. Slowly come back up and go over to the other side. Relax. Come back up. Uncross the legs, take them back up the wall. Move your arms wherever they're most comfortable for feet up the wall. We're going to take a few more breaths, settle in for a little bit more, letting yourself relax just a little bit more. Breath in the belly. Nice, long, slow exhalations. Now very slowly begin to bring your knees into your chest. Give them a hug. Relax your back and neck. Take a moment to feel the quiet you've been cultivating. Roll to one side and rest on your side for a moment. Again, feeling the quiet you've been cultivating. And then when you're ready, slowly working your way up to sitting. And take a second to notice how your body feels now, as your system remembers more and more about what it means to relax. Thanks for joining me. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these Tired AF yoga videos. They're so helpful, right? And if you subscribe down below onto my email list, you're going to get a bunch of great extra tips for relaxation. We'll see you in tomorrow's video.